Have you ever sat in the parking lot at your local Safeway and had your phone with you and started flipping through the Safeway app to find all of their coupons? And then you have to hit add to my cart, and then you have to go in the store and hopefully you remember what you were supposed to buy with the coupon. And then you have to show it when you check out and everything. It's such a pain with these coupons on the apps. They think that they are giving us a time saver, but really it's a lot of work still, a lot of hassle to go through hundreds and hundreds of coupons to figure out what you want. But I am proposing to have a coupon app that will populate automatically as you walk by the products in the store. So it'll pop up and say, hey, there's a coupon for this, there's a coupon for this. That would help consumers try more things, which would be beneficial to the producers of these items or products. It would just be a large benefit for shoppers to save time and money just to have these coupons pushed directly to you as you walk by the items in the store.